This is my Ducati Monster, much transformed from when I first purchased it. Yeah, it was kind of very, very yellow. So what I've done is tone it down. But I have a problem. Problem being the RoadRacing exhaust system. It's just too loud. And although it's beautiful because it's slim and just slung underneath the Monster, I just can't hear myself when I'm riding the motorcycle. Another issue is, here I am on the pegs, and they're bah, 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 everything's fantastic. And then I go to take my foot off the pegs straight into the line of red hot exhaust gases. Oh! And unless you're wearing very long boots, there's there's some serious heat and flames coming out of those. And this is its replacement. Standard end cans. I will regret this. They're not Termis. It's going to quieten the bike down probably too much. But a cool fact about these is they were actually made by Remus for Ducati. Yeah, that's not to everyone's taste. And I have a problem. See the fitting here where the exhaust would clamp on, I don't have the fixings for that. I haven't ordered them yet. Mostly because I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to like this exhaust. I'll probably hate it. I'm just so used to seeing Ducatis with twin exhausts. And so is Hero. He's like, Dad, don't start that bike, man. It's too loud, huh? It is too loud, isn't it? You go running, don't you? And I want to ride it more. So yeah. Time to whip that exhaust off, clean it up, put it away, and put some standard cans on the bike. So on this side of the motorcycle, I only have a blanking rubber. So I've kind of made up a little mount. And just when you think everything was going well, I've taken the entire exhaust system off of the motorcycle. I need some proper end cans. It's so quiet. I ran it up and it doesn't even make any noise at all, which is lovely. And I got all the mechanical noises, but I got no exhaust note. So I'm taking it all off just so I can go over this these downpipes and clean them up a bit. I've also got to clean the original exhaust up and then pack it away. Right, the search begins for some end cans and fixings from Ducati. Oh, that's going to break the budget. Just fixings alone, I reckon they'd be more expensive than the end cans, right? Anyway, thank you all for watching.